Welcome to PuntaCanaVilla.com, where your dream home awaits in the heart of Vista Cana. Explore the charm of this townhouse for sale in Bavaro, nestled in the vibrant Parque de las Canas community. Starting at just $188,000, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse spans 1,098 square feet, offering inclusive living with appliances included in the price. Relax in the lounge area, unwind in the fitness haven with gym facilities, and enjoy versatile spaces with a co-working area for productive days. Family-friendly fun awaits with a swimming pool for adults and children, water games, and a recreational area. Embrace nature's retreat with a picnic and barbecue area. Unlock Airbnb potential and gain exclusive access to Vista Cana amenities, including an artificial beach, restaurants, and a sports area. Indulge in a luxurious upgrade with an optional jacuzzi at an extra cost, transforming your outdoor space into a private oasis. Reserve your key to Vista Cana living with just $1,000. The payment plan includes 15% after signing the contract, 25% during construction, and the final 60% upon property delivery. Act now, and let the journey to your dream home begin.